Welcome, and thank you for joining me for my Pathway Updates presentation. I am Elizabeth Matthews, and I serve as a CTE Educational Consultant. During this presentation, I will provide an overview of the Pathway Updates that will take effect for the 2026-27 school year. Let's begin by reviewing the key updates and what they mean for student pathway planning and program delivery. BB30, Business Ethics and Law 1, was in field test status during the 25-26 school year due to the implementation of the new CTE state assessment. After reviewing field test data and feedback, updates were made to the curriculum guide to strengthen alignment between instruction and assessment. The updated curriculum guide, along with a summary of changes, was posted in the Moodle on May of 2026. For the 26-27 school year, the proof of learning will be the CTE state assessment, and the unsecured test items will be available in SchoolNet to support classroom instruction and prepare students. BB32, Business Ethics and Law 2, remained in field test status for an additional year to maintain cohesiveness within the business ethics and law pathway. Now that the review and implementation process has been completed for Level 1, the course will transition to standard status for the 26-27 school year. Because of this course's enrollment numbers, the proof of learning will continue to be a local assessment rather than a state assessment. BA10, Accountant 1, is moving from pilot status to standard status for the 26-27 school year. Following the pilot year, educator feedback was reviewed and incorporated into updates to the curriculum guide. The revised guide, along with a summary of changes, was posted in May of 2026. This course will continue to use the Intuit Certified Bookkeeping Professional credential as its proof of learning, providing students with an industry-recognized credential while demonstrating mastery of course standards. BA20, Accountant 2, enters pilot status for the 26-27 school year after being released in February of 2026. The course's proof of learning is credential-based, and it includes both the QuickBooks Online Certified User Credential and the MOS Excel for Accounting Associate Credential. To support implementation, several pilot check-in sessions will be offered throughout the fall, including reviews of course standards and strategies for credentialing success. As with all of our pilot courses, educator feedback will play an important role in refining the course and preparing it for future standard status. AP Business and Personal Finance may be used as an OR option for the BF10 Business Essentials course within our CTE pathways. However, it is very important to note that the course does not satisfy North Carolina's Economics and Personal Finance graduation requirement. Professional development and implementation support will be provided through the 2026 CTE Summer Conference, helping educators prepare to offer this course successfully. As part of our ongoing support efforts, our Pathway Teacher Leads will continue this year. They will serve as a resource for educators across the accounting, business ethics and law, general management, and project management pathways. Teachers are encouraged to use the pathway-specific PTL email addresses shown on this slide to ask questions, share their feedback, and connect with colleagues and Pathway Teacher Leads. The teacher leads play an important role in supporting implementation and ensuring that classroom perspectives help guide all of our future pathway improvements. Now for our Pathway Professional Development opportunities for the 2026-27 school year. During the 2026-27 school year, we hope to provide ongoing support through a series of Pathway Connection sessions held throughout both semesters. The 1-hour Pathway Connection sessions will occur monthly during the months of September, October, and November, and again in February, March, and April, creating regular opportunities for collaboration and pathway-specific learning. Additional support will also be for the middle grades connections that focus on EY30 alignment and specialized professional development opportunities. Together, these opportunities are designed to strengthen pathway implementation, increase the collaboration between teachers, and provide meaningful support for the educators throughout the school year. Education consultant office hours are being offered on the first and third Tuesday of each month. Educators can join from 10 to 11 a.m. or from 4 to 4:30 p.m. We are offering 2 time slots to offer flexibility. These sessions are intended to provide a consistent opportunity for collaboration and support to the field. Now I would like to provide a preview of several pathway updates currently being considered for the 27-28 school year. Please note that all information shared in this section is tentative and subject to change. For the 27-28 school year, a proposed update for the financial planning pathway is the removal of BF10 Business Essentials as the foundational prerequisite. This potential change is intended to increase flexibility and improve student access to the pathway. Another tentative update involves the general management pathway. To better align the pathway name with the courses students complete, the general management pathway would be renamed the business management pathway. The proposed name change reflects the pathway's course sequence, which is Business Essentials, Business Management 1, and Business Management 2. Aligning the pathway name with the course titles creates greater consistency. It also improves the clarity when communicating pathway opportunities and helps strengthen recognition of the pathway's focus. Next, we'll cover our CTSO updates. I will be covering the FBLA updates. Here are a few important FBLA dates to keep on your calendar for the 2026-27 school year. We encourage advisors and students to begin planning now for these outstanding leadership and competitive opportunities. As I wrap up, I encourage you to stay connected with North Carolina CTE through our social media channels. Following our social media accounts is a great way to stay informed about our pathway updates, professional development opportunities, student success stories, credential information, and upcoming events throughout the school year. Thank you for taking the time to review these pathway updates. If you have any questions or need assistance, please do not hesitate to reach out. I am always happy to support you and your program.